मोदी।
सब लोग हैं, एक एक एडीएम के का
भारत माता की, भारत माता की। फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ पुडुचेरी श्री रंगास्वामी जी, respected leaders on the dais, candidates for the upcoming assembly elections, hard-working Karyakartas, sisters and brothers of Puducherry, Vanakkam. I must say, there is something special about Puducherry that keeps bringing me back here again and again. Just a month ago, I was with you. That time, a wide range of development works were inaugurated. I had also addressed a large rally where the people of Puducherry showed great support. That time itself, it was clear that in the upcoming elections, Puducherry is voting for change. 5 states were announced. I went to Assam and Bengal quite a few times. Today, I was in Kerala in the morning, Tamil Nadu in the afternoon, and now I am among you in Puducherry. In all 4 states and UTs, I am seeing a huge wave in favor of NDA. In the long list of non-performing Congress governments, over the years, the previous Puducherry government had a special place. The High Command government, Delhi High Command government of Puducherry failed on all fronts. Take any sector, education, filling of medical seats, welfare of SC, ST communities. There was loot and only loot. MLAs belonging to the Congress party were openly talking about the corruption directly linked to the family of the former chief minister. Friends, I had a reasonably long experience in politics. I've seen many elections, but the Puducherry election 2021 is unique. Do you know why? Because the sitting chief minister had not been given a ticket. So many years of loyalty, lifting the sleepers of his leader, doing wrong translation to impress his leader, still no ticket. This clearly shows how much of a disaster his government has turned out to be. Promises from their old manifesto were not even fulfilled. Even now, Congress is not giving a report card of the work they have done in 5 years. Friends, when I had come last month, I had shared my vision for Puducherry in one word: best. B-E-S-T, best. I had said NDA will work to make best Puducherry. By best, I mean business hub, education hub, spiritual hub, tourism hub. I see Puducherry playing a key role in the building of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. The future NDA government in Puducherry will focus on bringing economic growth here. We will also work to assist entrepreneurship of Puducherry. Our government will not trouble local industries. In fact, new job opportunities will be created for the youth. We are working to strengthen the blue economy so that the fisheries sector in Puducherry grows. In the last few years, the fisheries budget has grown by 80%. Exports are up as well. The newly created Fisheries Ministry is addressing concerns of fishermen. I am confident these steps will boost the coastal economy of Puducherry. Friends, the education infrastructure here will be scaled up. Last month, work began on a project relating to a medical college building at Karaikal new campus. This will help medical students. The blood center at Jipmer will help research and training in aspects relating to transfusion. I had the honor of laying the foundation stone for a sports campus too. This will make Puducherry a hub for sports education and training future sports person. You would be happy to know that our government is working towards providing medical and technical education in the local language. When I think of Puducherry, I think about Bhartiyar. I think about Sri Aurobindo. I think about Sithananda Swami, Tholai Kattu Siddhar. I bow in reverence to the Manakula Vinayagar Swami temple and the Srimad Guru Siddhanand Swamigal Devasthanam. There is spirituality in every part of this land. NDA government's efforts will be a tribute to Puducherry's spirit and spirituality. We will create the required infrastructure that draws people from all over the world to come here to discover themselves. Our government at the center has been working a lot to ensure more tourists come to India. For that, we have been focusing on infrastructure projects that boost connectivity. The four-laning of National Highway 45A is one prime example of that. The Congress government here totally ignored the Karaikal district. Due to that, tourism was affected. The newly rebuilt Mary building adds to the prestige of the beach promoted. We will also adopt measures that support the street food of Puducherry. Key schemes of the NDA government have helped the people of Puducherry. About 6,000 houses have been constructed under the PM Awas Yojana. 8,000 more are being made. Under the Smart Cities Mission, worth 2,000 crore rupees are being invested to transform infrastructure here. Projects worth 40 crore rupees under the Blue Revolution scheme have been sanctioned to empower fishermen. Under the PM Matsya Sampada Yojana, the amount stands at almost rupees 220 crore for Puducherry. This includes 30 hectares of aquaculture, cold chain infrastructure, more fish kiosks, fish vending centers, refrigerated vehicles, fishing vessels and more. In the coming years, more harbors will be set up. 5 Matsya Seva Kendras and 2 modern coastal fishing villages will also come up. Friends, we shall fulfill your aspirations. Our track record speaks for itself. Our aim is clear. सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास. With that, I conclude my remarks and thank you all for coming in such a large numbers. Vanakkam. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.